Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can refund a game on Steam. So I'm currently here on Steam, and maybe in your library of games that similar to what I have, there's something that you did not want to buy. And let's say that doesn't really matter which one you bought, okay? Because what you should do here is that you should head over here to your name up here on the upper right corner of your screen and head over to view my wallet. And then after here, after you get to view my wallet, you head over to see my account details. Just don't mind how poor I am, okay? And now what you need to do is head over to view purchase history. Now once you get here, you'll see some of the purchases that you have had in your account. So yeah, including the wallet that you put into your wallet, I mean the money that you put into your wallet in order to buy some games, and the games that you bought. Alright, so let's say you didn't want to buy a game. You accidentally bought a game. I don't know if that's even considered possible. Is that even possible to accidentally buy a game? Like, you literally put the game into the cart before you actually buy it. Okay, let's say you don't actually want this one, the Clannad Soundtrack Steam Edition. We click on it, and then you click I would like a refund. Let's say you don't want this. So that if you want a refund, it actually has some conditions that you need to have. And here, after this one, you need to click on this one, and then you need to put a reason as to why you don't want this. You purchased this by accident, which is very unlikely. It's not fun, the multiplayer doesn't work. Yep, you have lots of reasons to put. If there's even more that's not included in this list, in the drop down, you can write it down here on the notes. And then after that, you just submit your request. And you just need to wait for a person or like an assistant from Steam help you with your problem. And you should get a refund if they think that you are eligible for the refund. But if you're not, if your reasoning does not make sense, then they also have the right to cancel your request. And that is how you can get a refund on Steam. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!